Get back up here.
Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm going to do another one here. I just feel like doing a video spree. I'm not going to sit around and wait for people to get in here, but I'm going to flip my camera around here real quick, and I'm going to show y'all something called a quo warranto. You can find this online. I found this on Scrib. Scrib is a very good place to go to get documents. It's actually what you're doing with a quo warranto. This is pre-trial, pre-arraignment, anything like that. As soon as you have to go to court, you present this to the judges. Boy, it is nice out right now. You file this in the courts. What you are doing is doing two things. One, you are challenging the judge's jurisdiction. That is one. The second one is you are actually calling forth what they call the public hazard bonding of a corporate agents. You're calling forth all this stuff, their oath, their bonds, everything. It's a very lethal document to have. 9 times out of 10, the case will be dismissed because they don't want to present this stuff, because if you know anything about collapsing bonds, you have the right to collapse it. Whether it be on a judge, court clerk, any official that is holding an office that is foreign. We all know the Bar Association are foreign entities practicing law in the United States, which is against, they are basically terrorists in our own courtrooms. So the quo warranto, like I said, you can look it up. It's a very lethal information to present into a court. There are videos on YouTube about the quo warranto, on people challenging the jurisdiction of the judges. But it's unique. There's one where a guy from Australia. Now, some of you may know that Australia runs off the same system as the United States does. This guy was in Australia in a courtroom. It's just only audio, so there's no actual video to it, just audio. And the judge, he presented this to the judge. In fact, he filed it months before they actually went to trial. He stood in his square, and he just basically took the judge, bent him over the bench, and just let him have it. That's just in nice terms. The judge tried to move on to another case, and he stopped him from it. He said, no, we're going to settle this case right here, right now. The judge wanted to basically throw the guy out of court and not present the information. 3 months into it, the judge still didn't present all this information that this guy requested from the quo warranto. The quo warranto that I have is Moore's. But you can take and change these documents to what you want to do. Anytime you file anything in a court, it'll have to be on legal paper, legal length paper, and make sure that it is an affidavit. If you're going to send something out to somebody like a creditor, affidavit. This is a powerful piece of information. Even when you file a quo warranto in the court, make sure that you do your UPU. Anything. You want power, you want standings. There you go. So, anyway, I thought I'd bring that up. I'm going to show this one more time. It is a quo warranto. I'm shaking here really bad. It's advertisement of judgment. And all it basically does is just, covers all your bases. Of course, it talks about the oaths. It's very short and straight to the point. It's deadly. Very deadly. Like I said, you can go to Scrib, research the quo warranto online, however you want to do it. If you got a computer, you can take it and create it the way you want to create it, as long as there's an affidavit. Good thing about this is for the record to be read into the record. So this has to be put on file for them, and you do file it in the courts. It is pertaining to your case. Notice the agent is notice the principal. Notice the principal is notice the agent. I mean, this thing has everything to it. If they don't respond to this, you can file a complaint with the Attorney General's office. Step up from there. I was also told that you can actually take, if they don't present this information to you, you can go to the district attorney, file a complaint there, see what the district attorney will do. If the district attorney doesn't do anything, then you've got two people. You've got the district attorney and the judge that you can report or file a complaint against in the Attorney General's office. So again, something you guys may want to look into. It's for pretrial. And so if you're going to court over a speeding ticket, something to that nature, you have a piece of information that you can use to destroy a judge. So anyway, peace, God bless, have a wonderful day.